What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing this game called Bloody Ragdoll Engine. It's kind of entertaining for me because you could just fall down. You could just fall down from stuff, fall straight into the dumpster. So let's just get straight into the game. I'm not good at intros. So you could just go to settings and enable fling on ragdoll blood core. But hey, if you don't like it, then you don't have to. And then you could just commit dumpster. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna turn off door. There you go. Oh, no, turn off screen effects. That's why. So pipes fall is kind of cool, because... Why is it so... Yeah, that's better. Okay, so... let's go on to the slide. One time when I was on this kind of slide... on the slide. I was at the free-for-all teleporter, like right here. Right here. And then I fell onto the slide and it slided me out of the map. And I've been trying to do that again, so yeah. And it's hard to do because you might exceed. Yep, I exceeded it. Oh, did I? Oh, wait, no. Oh! Okay, yeah. I guess that's what happens when you hit your head on the floor too Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to reset myself. It's impossible to get down from here. Let's go here. There you go. So yeah, and again, you could do this or be a super secret agent. Okay, yeah, that was a... I'm a super secret agent. Oh no, I've been spotted. I need to get skedaddle out of here. Oh no, I've been spotted again. I need to get out. Oh no, I've been spotted again. I need to get out. I need to land in that pool right there. Ow. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, I'm not in the pool again. Watch out, I'm the top secret. Let's go, I got this. Let's go. 360, baby. Okay, if this annoys you, like the sound, I don't know why. Also, one time. Oh yeah, by the way, you can do this. If you go into the hammer and if you jump at the perfect time, it hits you. This happens. Not that. And jump at the perfect time. Okay, yeah, this thing won't stop hitting me. Come on, hit me, daddy. Oh. Come on, one time it happened to me, it flinged me out of the map. It needs to hit your whole body, bro. Watch out! Come on, bro. Yes, there you go. One time the hammer hit me so hard, it flinged me into the truss. It flinged me into the ladder, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot this even existed. No, I forgot about that. Also, you could swim in the water. Hey, yo, bro, 360. Oh no. The water's shallow. Ain't nothing but a... Oh yeah, by the way, you can do this. Just turn on fling on ragdoll. It's kind of look cool. But if you don't want to do that, then you're just gonna look like this. Nothing but... And you could actually just do this. You could hang on there if you turn off that. But it won't last for long because your arm gets detached. You could just time it right and you will hang on to it. Oh yeah, you can also do it on the trash, I think. It's hard to do on the truss, but you can do it. And it's kind of hard to do. You have to put it on the right arm. Not the actual right, the correct arm. Oh, nope. Oh, wait. This and this. There you go. Anyways. Oh, yeah, I forgot you can do this. Oh, no. This is a very cool kind of... How did that enable? I want my arm detached off my body. What else have I not went to? Oh yeah, free fall. I think that's the pool, or am I blind? Yep, that's definitely the pool. Yep, that black thing right there. That's definitely the pool. Wait. Oh wait, am I gonna jump on the side? No. And this one you could just. It brings you back, but you could just. Oh wait. I'm super secret agent. I'm a mannequin, bro. Oh no, I tripped. Oh yes, this happens. This happens. You go down and up. But I don't know why it does. Why? Because I do not know why it does that. And switcheroo. Oh no, no. No. Whippy. Oh yeah, there's also a trampoline here. Very convenient. Oh yeah, no, so you can do this. You can do this. I want them to make this trampoline bigger. Oh, come, this man just exploded. Oh, shoot, his head detached off his body. Yeah, you jump higher if you're in ragdoll mode. But hey, what is this? Death simulator? Yes! Oh yes, time to explode. Got him. Oh man. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. See you in the next 15 years. Yeah.